Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple process of resetting your Netfun Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity problems or getting it ready for a fresh setup, resetting the extender is fast and easy. Let's get started and solve those issues together. Resetting your Netfun Wi-Fi extender is essential when troubleshooting connectivity issues, clearing previous settings, or preparing the device for a fresh setup. A reset restores the extender to its factory default state, ensuring a clean slate for optimal performance and a seamless connection experience. First, plug your Netfun Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet and allow a moment for the power LED to illuminate. Ensure that the extender is powered on and functioning properly before proceeding with the reset process to ensure a successful reset. Next, find the reset button on your Netfun Wi-Fi extender. It's typically a small hole labeled reset, located on the side or bottom of the device. To press it, you'll need a paperclip, pin, or another pointed object to gently press and hold the button. Using the paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the LEDs on the extender start blinking, signaling that the reset process is in progress. Once this happens, release the button and allow the extender to reboot. Once the reset is finished, the LEDs on the extender will return to their default state. This indicates that the device has been fully restored to its factory settings, and any previously saved configurations or Wi-Fi connections have been cleared. After the reset, you can begin setting up your extender again from the beginning. Simply follow the setup instructions in your user manual or refer to my detailed setup guide video, which is linked in the description below for your convenience. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's all there is to it. Resetting your Netfun Wi-Fi extender is quick and easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.